Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cream cheese filled pumpkin cupcakes with caramel pecan frosting. So let's get started. First we're going to make the salted caramel so it has time to cool down. So into a small saucepan with high sides, add in the sugar and water, and place the saucepan onto the stove over a medium-high heat. Stir the ingredients to combine them, then heat it until it boils. When it does boil, you cannot stir the mixture anymore or it will cause the caramel to crystallize and it will have grainy bits of sugar. So now you need to brush down the sides of the pan with a pastry brush dipped in water to wash down any sugar crystals that may be on the sides of the pan, because that will also cause the caramel to crystallize. Then heat the mixture until it turns a nice golden brown color. If it's heating unevenly, you can pick up the pan and swirl it around. Again, you can't stir the mixture. While it's heating, measure out the heavy cream so you have it on hand when you need it. When the mixture is just starting to turn golden, watch it very carefully because it can burn quickly. So once it's a deep golden color, slowly pour in the heavy cream while stirring. It will bubble and steam a lot, so be careful. Once all of it is added, stir it until all the bubbles subside. And then take it off the heat. Then cut the butter into pieces and add it into the caramel mixture. Mix it in until it's melted into the mixture, and add in the kosher salt or any coarse salt you like, and vanilla extract, and mix them in until they're combined. Then pour it into a small mason jar and place it into the fridge until it's cold. Then to make the pumpkin spice cupcakes, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger, and whisk them together until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the egg that's at room temperature, egg yolk also at room temperature, sugar, brown sugar, canola or vegetable oil, pumpkin puree, make sure it's pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie mix, buttermilk, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then add in the dry ingredients and mix them together until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. It's fine if it's still lumpy. Then scoop the batter evenly into a muffin pan lined with cupcake liners, filling each one up about halfway. Then bake them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center of one of them comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let them cool completely. Then to make the cream cheese filling, in a small or medium bowl, add in the softened cream cheese, sugar, heavy cream, and vanilla extract, and beat them with an electric mixer for 2 minutes until it's smooth and whipped. Then to make the salted caramel frosting, in a medium bowl, add in the softened butter, and beat it with an electric mixer on high speed for 2 minutes until it's light and smooth. Then sift in half of the powdered sugar. Mix it in on a low speed at first. Then beat it on high speed for another minute. Then sift in the rest of the powdered sugar. Mix it in on a low speed at first. Then beat it in until it's well combined. Then add in the cooled salted caramel from earlier. And beat it in until it's well combined. When the cupcakes are completely cooled, core out the center of each one using an apple corer or a sharp knife. Then add the cream cheese filling into a plastic bag. Spread it down to one corner of the bag. Press out the excess air and seal the bag. Then squeeze the filling into the center of each of the cupcakes, squeezing until you see the cupcakes start to expand. Then pipe or spread the salted caramel frosting on top of each of the cupcakes. Then top each one with chopped pecans. You can omit them if you don't like pecans. And that's how to make cream cheese filled pumpkin cupcakes with caramel pecan frosting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.